everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. I'm a YouTuber based in Benin City, Nigeria. So today I will be creating my favorite matte eyeshadow tutorial, and I'll also be showing you guys my glowy flawless foundation and highlighting routine. It's a full video and everything is pretty much detailed. So I already started off with my skin prep for oily skin. So I've got a bit of oily skin and combination skin. Around my T-zone area I produce a lot of oil, so hence why I'm going in with the different products. I started out with the Zaron Perfect finish. Is like a hydrating spray, and then I followed with the skin regenerating hydrating serum from Zaron Cosmetics. I allowed all of that set in. Then I'm following up with the oil block mattifier. The key to this stuff is to allow it dry down completely, and I'll follow up with some loose powder, which is a great way to further set your face, just to make sure that you blot out oil throughout the day. Before then I'm using the Zaron oil free pore minimizer. This literally would smooth out my skin and just makes the foundation glide on really smooth on my skin. I really love it. So these are the tools I'll be using as well. This is the Zaron My Deluxe brush belt, and I'm also using the Zaron 4-in-1 contour and highlight brush. And yeah, you guys let me know if you got questions, suggestions. Leave them down below in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to you. And subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it at the end of the day and you learned something new. And if you also have suggestions of videos you'd like to see on my channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Finally done with my makeup. They took the light while I was recording, but this is the finished look, and this is what my eyes looks like. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.